What's up, guys? Okay, so in the last video, I went over how to like polish and wax everything. Today, what we're gonna be doing, so see these foggy, oxidized headlights, I'm gonna try to get those down and get them clear again. This is probably my favorite part. I love doing this because it just makes the car look so much better. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. First things first, you wanna get like a drill or something, or if you don't have this, because what I did, what you could buy is a attachment like this that you can just stick the sandpaper on. I think it was like McGuire or something like that have one, probably at like AutoZone or something like that. If not, you just need some like 300 and 600 grit sandpaper, and which is what I have right here. Just kidding, it was 800 and I believe 500 is what you're gonna need. So with that, and then you're gonna need some tape, I think that's pretty much it for all like what you need. Then after, this is what I highly recommend. Even if you aren't doing this, just to protect your headlights, is this headlight coating. It works amazing. It will help your headlights don't get oxidized. So yeah, with that, we'll just jump right into it. Okay, so I have the headlight taped all off. I would use pincher tape if you have it. I couldn't find it, so I just have masking tape. It's gonna work. It should work fine. I've done it before. Now, if you bought the kit, or if you didn't, either one. So with this, all you gotta do is stick it on. It comes with a little thing for the attachment. Same with the sandpaper. All you're gonna be doing, and I forgot to mention earlier, this is the biggest part. Don't want to forget this. Is just have some water. It's not anything. You're just gonna spray it down. It will come out. Spray the whole thing down. You want it wet. Just like that. And then you can start sanding or using this, either one, but make sure it's wet. You do not want it to be dry, or you're gonna scratch the headlight and it won't be it will be fixable, but it's not gonna be easy. So remember that water. I'll come back after it. I would do like what I usually do is like 3 runs. Kind of do it, stop for a second, maybe wipe it down, spray some more water, and do like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, and so after the first step, it should be like this kind of haziness over the headlights. This is a good sign. So after doing what I did like 3 of them, like 3 sets of like rounds for each one. Another tip of how to tell is just if you're sanding it down and you're still getting a ton of like the yellow oxidation coming off while you're sanding it, that means you should probably keep going. If you're starting to get more clear, or I mean you're gonna get clear, but if it's not yellow, I would definitely, you can move on. So what you're gonna do after that is just move up to your 800 grit sandpaper and do like around 3 more rounds of that. Remember to just keep wetting it down in between each one. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done with the sanding. Like it's all hazy, and so then this is where this is gonna come in. You can either use some type of like pad like this, or one of the blue adapter pads, and just put it on yourself, depending what you have. And then some kits will come with like polish or whatever you have. I've already used it for this kit, so I'm gonna use some rubbing compound. Just use some rubbing compound or polish, something like that. Just get it all like clear, and then we'll protect it with that spray afterwards. Okay, and after a few rounds of the rubbing compound or polish, it should look like this. It's still gonna have some haziness, because actually it should be pretty clear. This looks like there's some underneath, so I can't do much about that right now without taking the headlight apart. But it should be pretty clear with maybe a little bit of haziness. And actually, the coating, I'll grab that right now, is gonna help it kind of make it look a lot shinier. Now, if you want to put like newspapers around or whatever, you can. I usually don't, just because I'm gonna try my best to keep it on, and then I'll wipe around because I gotta clean up anyways, because you can see it's all dirty. So what you're gonna do is just spray it right on. I want to shake it up a little bit, actually. And when you look at that, it's not perfect. There's still some underneath, and I think this was a little bit old. They've had it for a while. These are a lot of cars, so it's kind of clumped up in some spots. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. You can see the haziness underneath, like in the inside. But look at this compared to that one. When you look at that. And for, I'd say, I think it's like probably $30 for everything together. And maybe an hour of your time, it's a lot better. Makes a huge difference with your car. And yeah, with that, I don't have much else to say, but thank you for watching, and I hope this helps anyone out there. And hope to see you in the next video.